Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining the T-Mobile Experience More plan, what features it includes, how much it costs, and whether it's actually worth it in 2026. So the T-Mobile Experience More plan is a premium unlimited plan that includes unlimited talk, text, and premium 5G data on the T-Mobile's network. It is designed as a balance between the price and the features. The plan typically costs around $85 per month for one line with autopay, though the exact price can change depending on the number of lines you add. T-Mobile also includes a 5-year price guarantee, which means the base price of the talk, text, and the data won't increase for at least 5 years while you stay on the plan. The Experience More plan includes several premium features. You are going to get unlimited premium data, meaning your speeds aren't reduced based on the data usage during the month. It also includes 60 GB of high-speed mobile hotspot data, allowing you to share your internet connection with laptops or other devices. The plan also includes strong travel features. You can send unlimited text to more than 200 countries and get 15 GB of high speed data in Canada and Mexico before the speed slow down. So the Experience More plan becomes cheaper per line when you add more people. For example, the family promotions sometimes offer 3 lines for around $140 per month with autopay, which works out to about $46 per line plus taxes and fees. So the question here is it actually worth using in 2026? So whether the plan is worth it depends on what you need. If you want premium data, strong travel benefits, entertainment perks, and regular phone upgrade deals, the Experience More plan can offer great value. However, if you only need the basic unlimited service, don't use hotspot or travel features often, a cheaper plan like Essentials can be more cost effective for you. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.